What if you could build a business, automate your income, or land high-paying clients without writing a single line of code, filming yourself, or even leaving your desk? Well, in 2025, it's not only possible, it's easier than ever, thanks to AI. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 insanely powerful AI tools that people are using right now to make money online, whether it's through content creation, client work, product sales, or even automated outreach. These tools don't just save time, they open up entire income streams that used to take teams of people to manage. And the best part? Most of them are free or have affordable plans, so you don't need a big budget to get started. Starting with the first tool, NotebookLM. If you've ever wished you had an assistant that actually understands your research, NotebookLM is exactly that. Created by Google, this AI tool lets you upload your documents, PDFs, notes, articles, transcripts, and it turns them into a fully searchable knowledge base. But what makes it powerful is that it doesn't just store your info, it analyzes it. With NotebookLM, you can ask smart questions like, what are the main arguments in this article? Or summarize key trends from these reports. It understands context, pulls out insights, and helps you structure content around your data. Now here's how you make money with it. Turn your collected research into valuable products. That could be an ebook summarizing industry trends, a paid newsletter that shares weekly insights, or digital study guides tailored to students or professionals. You're basically packaging knowledge, automated by AI, and selling it to people who don't have time to dig through the data themselves. Once you create these info products, you can sell them repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Substack. It's like turning a Google Doc into a business. And in 2025, information is one of the most scalable digital assets. Moving to the second tool, Napkin AI. Imagine turning your plain text into beautiful, professional-looking infographics in just one click. That's exactly what Napkin AI does. And yes, it's completely free. You start by opening a blank document inside Napkin. Just type out your ideas, bullet points, or key takeaways. Then select the text and click. Napkin instantly transforms it into a clean, visually appealing infographic. You can choose from multiple design styles, edit fonts, colors, icons, and customize everything to match your brand or message. You can download it in high-resolution formats like PNG, SVG, or even PDF, ready for any platform. This isn't just for aesthetics. It's a productivity booster. People are using Napkin AI to build presentations, YouTube visuals, client reports, and marketing content without hiring a designer. What used to take hours now takes seconds. In 2025, good design sells, and Napkin AI gives it to you for free. Now the third tool is ElevenLabs. If you've ever thought about making money with your voice, but without speaking a word, ElevenLabs is the tool for you. It's one of the most advanced AI voice generators out there, and it lets you either clone your own voice or use a library of professional-sounding AI voices. The results are shockingly realistic: natural tone, pacing, and even emotion. Whether you want to create audiobooks, YouTube narrations, podcast intros, or ads, ElevenLabs can handle it with just a few clicks. This opens up a massive income opportunity. You can offer voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour, where clients are always looking for clean, fast narration for their videos or marketing content. But that's just one side. You can also build your own faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT to write scripts, ElevenLabs to narrate them, and tools like HeyGen or stock visuals to complete the video. It's a fully automated, scalable content business. And with new languages and accents being added regularly, you can even reach global clients without ever stepping in front of a mic. At number 4, we have HeyGen. This AI tool lets you generate ultra-realistic talking avatars that can speak any script you give it in multiple languages and accents. It's incredibly simple. You upload your script, select an avatar that fits the tone, and HeyGen produces a full video with lifelike lip sync, facial expressions, and smooth delivery. It looks and sounds just like a real person delivering your message. This is a goldmine for startups, creators, coaches, and educators who need content but don't want to appear on camera. You can offer video creation packages to clients. Charge $100 to $500 plus per video, depending on the length and purpose. Package your service as AI spokesperson videos or faceless content production. It's highly in demand and low effort on your part. In a world where content is king and video rules attention, HeyGen lets you produce high-quality visuals at scale without ever stepping in front of the lens. Now let's talk about tool number 5, Sora. What if you could turn a simple script into a stunning short film without a camera, crew, or even animation skills? That's exactly what Sora by OpenAI is designed to do. It takes your text and transforms it into hyper-realistic cinematic video, complete with motion, characters, backgrounds, and even camera angles. Whether you're telling a story, explaining a product, or creating a trailer, Sora generates visuals that look like they came straight from a film studio. It's a dream come true for marketers, storytellers, YouTubers, and small businesses looking to stand out. You simply input a description or scene, and Sora brings it to life with visual storytelling that feels professional and polished. This unlocks a completely new level of content creation at scale. You can use Sora to create viral short videos or offer high-end video production services to startups, brands, and agencies, all without ever hiring a videographer or editor. Clients will pay premium prices for videos that look cinematic but cost a fraction of traditional production. And finally, 6th tool is 𝐾𝐨 AI. If you're tired of chasing clients manually, 𝐾𝐨 AI can automate the entire process, from finding leads to closing deals. It's a powerful tool that connects with hundreds of data sources to help you build personalized outreach campaigns at scale. With 𝐾𝐨, you can scrape LinkedIn, Crunchbase, or company websites, enrich that data in real time, and instantly generate personalized cold emails, follow-ups, and workflows using built-in AI. You can even pull in social media info, job titles, and contact details automatically. It's ideal for freelancers, agencies, consultants, and B2B service providers who need a constant flow of clients but don't want to spend hours doing repetitive outreach. You can use 𝐾𝐨 to create automated lead gen systems for other businesses. Many startups and solopreneurs would pay top dollar for a done-for-you outreach machine that actually works. You can also use 𝐾𝐨 to automate your own client acquisition, freeing up time to focus on delivery and scaling your income. In a world where personalization drives conversions, 𝐾𝐨 AI lets you reach the right people with the right message, without ever lifting a finger after setup. So there you have it, 6 powerful AI tools that are reshaping how people make money online in 2025. If one of these tools stood out to you, let me know in the comments. Which one are you going to try first? If you found value in this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our content.